this is Jacob House with Western Window Systems at JXN Station at Mountain View Window and Door in Grand Junction, Colorado. I'm opening up our 9500 bifolding door. This is a classic line product with a 2 left, 4 right operation. So let me get this open for you and we'll keep talking about it. As you can see here, we've got a huge opening. What a great difference it is from a stacking system that you can completely open the entire opening from the interior to the exterior with a folding system that's got different operation, different functionality than a sliding door, but we're going to get the same feel of an indoor-outdoor setting, and we can really create just a seamless transition from one place to the next.
Awesome. So the classic line bifold or accordion, the big thing is when I come back is the daylighting, the whole thing opens up. But let's go ahead and close that system up and go see the video of the difference between an accordion or bifold versus a sliding door. So each pivot has its own lock. So he's going through and locking those down in the configuration to where whatever the design, they can configure those different panels.
So we've got an even number panel operation here, which provides us the ability to go one of 2 directions or both. We can stack these all to the left, all to the right, or pick a point where we want to split them. Again, we've chosen to do 2 to the left. We can also choose to do 1 to the left or 1 to the right to create a day door or a man door. If you're just going outside, doing some grilling, going out, there's pretty frequent activity, but we don't want the entire door open. We can pick a spot on this each jamb to potentially add a man door if we want to.
How nice it is to have a bifold door in Schoology that when you go 4L, 2L, middle, one way, other way,
right,
that's hard to grasp, but if you can come in and see it and operate it, now you can paint the picture of where the grill is on the outside and where
Absolutely.
the couch is on the inside.
Absolutely.
And we have awesome partners at JXN Station where I'm standing right in the heart of CP Designs, who's a local designer. So to end this video, I'm gonna go 360 to say, you need to have a designer to put all this furniture and all this amazing stuff in the right place, but you better begin with the end in mind to have Cindy and her team help work with Mountain View Window and Door to say these moving walls, how do they work in your space to create a house, a home, right?
Absolutely. Yeah,
awesome.
You're going to get a much bigger opening, but like you saw, you do have some sort of product sticking either in or out, whether you choose to do an in-swing or out-swing. So that out-swinging door is going to have water, wind, element ratings that we have tested and improved. But we also would do an in-swing setting to where if you want to pull that door accordion in, you need to be able to know what furniture am I going to have, where's my kitchen table going to be. That stuff needs to be thought of early on, but to be able to come in and see this and feel it and be able to really wrap your mind around it, it's awesome.
Awesome. So we're standing on which side here, the inside or the outside?
We are on the exterior right now. So this is an out-swinging door which has wind, weather, water, all the tested ratings that we're looking for to provide just a really tight seal. So yeah, this is the outside, we're looking at the inside.
So if I meant to do it the other way and ordered it that way, you just can reverse everything, right?
You could, but that wouldn't work as well as we would want it to. So,
the point I'm bringing that up is to say, know which side of the room and bring us home to say this application that you demonstrated is a 4.
Yeah, this is a 4 left, 2 right, 9500 classic line bifolding door. So we want to make sure that we know that, but yeah.
Cool. Thanks, Western and Jacob, for being part of JXN Station and Mountain View Window and Door.
All right.